In this video, I will show you how to free up this space on Windows 11. Freeing up this space on Windows 11 is easy. So the first thing you can do is to head over into the Start menu search. And here, search for Storage Settings. So on Storage Settings, click on the Storage Settings button on this Best Match section, and that will take you here. So wait for this Storage Settings breakdown to load. And once this is done loading, you'll be able to find the amount of each file's contribution into your list. Click on temporary files and then wait for this to load again. So in this section, you'll basically find all of the temporary and unnecessary files that you can remove from your list. So simply check all of this and click on this remove files button. Now, if your this space is still quite full, another thing that you can do is to go ahead and run this cleanup. So on the Start search menu, search for this cleanup and then click on this cleanup under the apps list. In here, go ahead and select your drive and delete system files. Now, click on this cleanup system files once you have selected all of the drive that you want to delete, and click on OK once you are done. Now, the last option that you have to free up your disk space in Windows 11 is to empty your recycle bin. So close this pop-up tab by clicking on the X icon at the top right of the pop-up. Open Recycle Bin, and if you have a lot of files on the recycle bin, you can simply click on this Empty Recycle Bin button at the top left of the pop-up, and that is how you can basically free up the space on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.